how much should you actually spend on a water timer for your garden hose? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, RAINPOINT Sprinkler Timer. The RAINPOINT Sprinkler Timer caught my eye right away. Priced at $41.71, it offers a solid blend of features for your garden watering needs. If you want a reliable and customizable watering solution, this is worth a serious look. This means you can set a schedule that suits your plants perfectly, keeping them healthy while you don't have to lift a finger. Plus, it has a rain delay feature, pausing your schedule for up to 72 hours to conserve water when it's raining. Now, some people complained about the programming being a bit tricky at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it becomes second nature. So if you're patient with a learning curve, it's totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you have a busy schedule and want a reliable timer that won't let your plants down. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler, more straightforward setup without all the features. For the price, it delivers solid value and performance. Product number 2, Insoma Outdoor Garden Hose Timer. Next up is the Insoma Outdoor Garden Hose Timer, priced at an affordable $27.80. What really stands out is its easy programming. It's almost like a set-and-forget solution for your watering needs. If you want a user-friendly timer, this is definitely worth a look. Here's why this matters for you. With 3 distinct watering modes, including an auto mode that takes care of your plants while you're away, you won't have to stress about them wilting. It also features a rain delay option that pauses your schedule for up to a week, saving you water and money. Plus, the LCD display is larger, making it easier to read the settings without squinting. However, some users noted that the waterproofing wasn't as robust as expected. Now I'll be real with you, if you live in a particularly wet area, that could be a concern. But for most people, it's a solid choice at this price point. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-use timer that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you need top-notch waterproofing for extreme conditions. Overall, it's a good value for your garden's needs. Product number 3, Insoma Automatic Hose Timer. The Insoma Automatic Hose Timer comes next at a budget-friendly price of $23.61. Honestly, the design is sleek and it's built to last with brass fittings instead of plastic. If you're looking for durability, this one might surprise you. Here's why this matters for you. It features 3 watering modes and can be programmed for specific watering times ranging from 1 minute to nearly 24 hours. The upgraded waterproof design means you can use it outside without worrying about it getting damaged by the elements. Plus, it has a child lock feature, which is great for homes with little ones running around. Some reviewers mention that it can be a bit tricky to set up initially. But here's the thing, once you figure it out, it works like a charm. It's definitely not a deal breaker if you're willing to put in a bit of effort. This is perfect for you if you prioritize durability and ease of use. Skip this one if you get easily frustrated with tech. For the price, it's a solid investment for your garden watering needs. Product number 4, Orbit 62056 1-Outlet Timer. Now let's talk about the Orbit 62056, priced at $50.53. Right off the bat, you can tell it's built with simplicity in mind, just one dial to manage your settings. If you want straightforward functionality, this could be the one for you. Here's why this matters for you. It's designed to make your life easier by allowing you to set your watering time without fuss. It's also equipped with a rain delay feature, so you can avoid overwatering during unexpected showers. Plus, its single-dial operation means you don't have to navigate through complicated menus. However, it lacks some advanced features that others have, like multiple programming zones. Some might find this limitation frustrating if they have a diverse garden. But if simplicity is what you crave, it's not really a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a no-nonsense timer that just works. Skip this one if you have a more complex garden setup that needs different watering schedules. It's a good choice for those who prefer minimalism. Product number 5, RAINPOINT 2-Zone Sprinkler Timer. Finally, we have the RAINPOINT 2-Zone Sprinkler Timer at $63.20. This one really ups the ante with 2 separate programmable zones, which is pretty impressive. If you need something that can handle different watering needs, this is worth checking out. Plus, the IP65 waterproof rating means it's built to take a beating from the elements while still functioning perfectly. And with an easy-to-read display and a low battery warning feature, you won't be left guessing when it's time to change the batteries. Some users felt it was a bit pricier than other options. Here's the thing: you're paying for the flexibility of multiple zones, which can actually save you money in the long run by preventing overwatering. This is perfect for you if you have a garden with a variety of plant needs. Skip this one if you're just looking for something basic. It offers great value for its flexibility and durability. So there you have it. The RAINPOINT and Insoma timers offer great features at different price points, while Orbit keeps it simple. Ultimately, it all comes down to your specific needs, whether that's ease of use, durability, or advanced features. Choose wisely and your garden will thank you.